Let's take a look at the G1. We've had this gun in red and blue. Now this G1 comes in orange. Let's take a look. You can see the reviews of the other colours. The gun's exactly the same. This one's just in orange. It's a really nice weighty metal gun. Nice small mag. Absolutely solid, full metal. Let's put some BBs in now. I'm going to use the .20 gram green Bulldog. Very simple magazine, just pull down the spring. It doesn't lock, you just basically hold it down and just drop them in to the top there by hand, or you can pour them. Very fiddly pouring. It's actually much better single feeding them. It doesn't hold that many, so it doesn't take long. Simple insert, simple fallback. Very good hop up, works very well. It's not adjustable, it's just a set hop up. Full metal, absolutely solid gun for the money. The G1 available red, blue and this one now orange.